I'm Cath, I'm the Director of the Welsh Blood Service, and our role here is to make sure that all of the hospitals in Wales have the blood products that they need for their life-saving work with patients. About 3 years ago, we got involved with the Life Sciences Hub when we realised that the NHS in Wales really needed to look at how it adopts the cell and gene technology that's coming through. We were able to bring together a group of interested companies and the universities in Wales and the NHS and bring everyone together to really start to explore what do the advances in this sector mean for patients in Wales. So when we started the Special Interest Group, we started bringing people together, and we'd meet every couple of months to share what everybody was doing in terms of the development within their own companies, but also to try and think about how would we translate some of these products into use in the NHS. We realised that if we were really going to bring about any change, then we really needed to start to up the level of our engagement. And the Life Sciences Hub has been absolutely instrumental in enabling us to bring together groups of people to try and develop that strategy. So one of the things that we need to do is to try and establish what sort of staff, what sort of skills, what sort of facilities and systems and processes are going to be required. And a prime example of this is actually about how we have the IT systems that we need to be able to support delivering these therapies to patients. And this is where Trakcel come in, because obviously that's their place in the market and they've got expertise in doing that.
So my name is Lakelin and I'm VP of Scientific Affairs at Trakcel. Trakcel is a Cardiff-based software development company, and we're developing a software platform specifically for the cell and gene therapy industry. The focus of our product is to help developers of cell and gene therapy products manage their therapy and manage the treatment of their therapy, so that the product itself manages the whole supply cycles from beginning to end, coordinating all activities and also making sure that everyone within that supply cycle knows exactly what's happening, when it's happening, ultimately to treat patients safely and cost effectively. We were absolutely delighted to be founder members of the Special Interest Group examining cell and gene therapies in South Wales. And the Special Interest Group has been a melting pot for ideas and thoughts with regard to growing the cell and gene therapy industry in Wales. Thinking about infrastructure that's required, skills that are required, training that's required. And ultimately that's going to lead to the increased accessibility to these very complex therapies to not only people within Wales but actually throughout the United Kingdom and beyond, because the learnings that we share will actually help drive the industry forward and create some standards that can be applied not just nationally but potentially internationally.
The treatment centres that we're setting up and the work of the Special Interest Group will have a real impact on patients in Wales, because it will make some of these novel treatments available in a shorter time frame than would have been if we hadn't actually got the group going. So that's a tremendous success story for us here in Wales.
Patients come first, so our software makes sure that the patients are treated correctly, on time and safely. It helps the providers of these therapies cure more people, treat more people and ultimately save lives.
We're really proud of the work that's been delivered by the Special Interest Group, because without the work that's been done by the members of the group and the Life Science Hub, the delivery of treatment to patients in Wales in the autumn would definitely not have been a reality within this time frame. And everybody has come together, the people from the companies, people from the universities and the NHS, and everybody's put to one side their own personal agenda and really worked collaboratively to deliver what's in the best interest of patients in Wales. And I think it's been a phenomenal success, and we're looking forward to seeing where it takes us next.